Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to crochet a beautiful baby frock. This project is perfect for beginners and seasoned crocheters alike. Let's get started. Materials needed. You shall need yarn. Choose a soft baby friendly yarn, a crochet hook, scissors and a tapestry needle. Choosing yarn. Pick a yarn color that complements your baby's style. Soft pastels or vibrant colors work well for baby frocks. Starting chain. Begin with a slip knot and chain the number of stitches needed for the size you are making. Foundation row. Work your first row of stitches to form the base of the frock. Increasing and decreasing. Learn how to increase for the shaping the frock and decrease to create a snug fit around the chest and shoulders. Pattern stitch. Choose a simple stitch pattern, stitch V or granny stitch to add texture and details to the frock. Bodice construction. Crochet the body section to the desired length, making sure to leave openings for armholes. Skirt section. Transition from the bodice to the skirt portion. Enter with complementary stitch pattern. Buttonholes and buttons. Create buttonholes on one shoulder and sew buttons on the opposite side for easy dressing. Finishing touches. Weave in all those ends and trim excess yarn neatly. Blocking. Wet blocking or stream blocking can help shape the frock and make the stitches more defined. Try the frock on your baby to ensure it fits comfortably and make any necessary adjustments. Emphasize using baby safe materials and avoiding small parts that could pose a choking hazard. Crocheting a baby frock is a labor of love. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials.